Naglabas na nga ng memo ang DepEd regarding the full implementation of the strengthened senior high school curriculum o yung tinatawag nating new senior high school curriculum na magsisimula ngayong school year 2026 to 2027. Pero ano nga ba ang bago sa curriculum na to? Pag-usapan natin. Number 1, tracks are reduced from 4 to 2. From academic, TVL, arts and design at sports, ang matitira na lamang ay academic track and technical professional or yung tech pro track. Number 2, core subjects are reduced. Mula sa dating 15 core subjects, magiging 5 na lamang sa bagong senior high school curriculum. At ito ay ang mga sumusunod: effective communication, general mathematics, general science, life and career skills, at ang pag-aaral ng kasaysayan at lipunang Pilipino. Number 3, mas elective-based na ang senior high school. Ibig sabihin, instead na maraming fixed subjects na pare-pareho sa lahat, sa bagong senior high school, may pagkakataon kang pumili ng mga electives or subjects na mas tugma sa future course mo or sa career na gusto mo. For example, kung STEM ang direction mo, mas marami kang kukuning math and science electives na mas maghahanda talaga sa'yo for college. If you enroll in the academic track, you need to complete at least 9 electives. Sa Tech Pro naman, you need to complete at least 2 electives. Number 4, mayroon tayong tinatawag na doorway option. Sa bagong senior high school, you are now allowed to take 1 or 2 electives from the other track, giving you more flexibility and exploration. Halimbawa, kung nasa academic track ka, pwede kang kumuha ng Tech Pro electives gaya ng food processing or ICT skills. This is very helpful sa mga estudyanteng gustong ma-explore ng mga practical skills without fully shifting tracks. But remember that the availability of electives is still based on school capacity, teachers, and resources. So choose your school wisely. And number 5, mas pinalakas na ang work immersion. Mula sa dating 80 hours noon, ngayon maaari na itong umabot ng 320 to 640 hours of work immersion, especially for Tech Pro students. Ang goal ng mas pinahabang work immersion sa bagong senior high school ay hindi lamang exposure, kundi tunay na hands-on experience sa actual workplace. So kung mapapansin mo, the new senior high school is not just about reducing subjects. It's all about making your learning more focused, more flexible, and more connected to real-life skills. So as early as now, huwag ka lang magtanong kung ano yung subjects ang kukunin mo sa senior high school. Ask yourself kung saan ka dadalhin ng senior high school journey mo. For senior high school contents gaya nito, follow for more.